Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong new moon in Aries. Ayan, sa March 29, 2025 at 6:57 p.m. Philippine time. So we will see what's coming kasi ito ay start ng spring equinox. So technically it's new year. So new beginnings, itong new moon, new setting of goals, and finally taking action sa mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. So for you Taurus, itong new moon is happening in your 12th house of your pwedeng sa inyong spirituality, subconscious, anything that is hidden or maaring yung iba sa inyo medyo maguguluhan, no? Kasi meron tayong retrogrades ngayon, naka-retrograde si Mercury at si Venus. Kaya maaring parang feeling confused yung iba sa inyo about your plans, especially if this is something to do with your career, your finances. Since Pluto is in Aquarius in your 10th house, may mga pagbabago. Merong mga endings and new beginnings na nangyayari sa career mo or sa yung pinagkakakitaan. Meron siyang positive aspect sa Sun and the Moon, itong Pluto tsaka Jupiter, which is the planet of expansion, and Pluto is about transformation, changes, releasing the old, starting something new. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng realization. Some of you nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening, maaring realizations pagdating sa what you really want, no? Ano talaga yung gusto mo pagdating sa career mo? Ano yung legacy na gusto mong maiwan para sa sarili mo or para sa family mo? And also yung iyong pangarap, no, about what you really want to achieve o kung paano mo gustong mas makilala ka. And itong ruler ng Aries ay nasa 3rd house, which is, this is your learning, your researching. So maaring meron kang urge to know something, to get to know something. Maaring ito yung mga interest mo. Yung iba pwedeng you have plans of learning a new skill, meron kang gusto matutunan na bagong kaalaman, bagong ability, and also exploring your talents, your skill set, because the 2nd house is also your abilities, yung mga talents mo. Okay? So now is the time para i-review mo yung sarili mo. I-review mo yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve for your career, for your finances, lalo na kung may mga challenges ka financially na gusto mong ayusin, like for example yung spending habits mo. Maaring may mga times na mas napapagastos ka, hindi mo namamalayan kung saan napupunta yung pera mo. So, this is the time for you to set a new intention doon sa mindset na gusto mo to achieve your goals and your dreams, especially in your career and in your finances. Para kasing yung iba sa inyo may frustration. Maaring napo-frustrate ka. Maaring may limitations. May limitations ka sa resources mo. Or may limitation ka doon sa learning abilities mo. Let's see what else for Taurus. Oh, See, oh my God, the Eight of Swords. We're just talking about limitations. Parang may self-doubt dito. Taurus, bakit nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo? Nakikinig ka sa opinion ng iba. Sino bang mas nakakakilala dapat sa'yo, sarili mo, 'di ba? Ayan, patunayan mo na kaya mo on your own. You have the Nine of Pentacles, which is about stability in your career, your finances, or stability mo sa sarili mo na you can do things on your own, very independent. You have the Three of Cups, which is going out, meeting new people. You have the Ten of Swords and the Four of Wands. Something stressful ay matatapos na. Okay? Merong celebration na rito. And I think, kung ikaw ay merong mga projects na ginagawa or ginawa, na involve ka sa isang project or sa isang activity na very stressful, ito ay natatapos na. Parang, let's say for example, may project ka sa school, thesis, ganyan. May kailangan kang i-report. Syempre, may research yan. At marami pang trabaho. Pero nandun ka na sa point na patapos na. 'Di ba? So, yung energy mo, celebratory na. There is something that you will celebrate. It's an achievement. I think you are freeing yourself, no? Palalayain mo yung sarili mo sa mga limitasyon na minsan ikaw rin yung naglilimita sa sarili mo na hindi mo kaya. Pwede kasing yung iba sa inyo na involved sa isang issue sa trabaho na maaring nakaapekto, no, sa mental health ninyo. Or kung nasa social media ka, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nababash, tapos maaring naapektuhan kayo. Huwag niyo silang isipin. Mag-focus ka sa goal mo. And start whatever you want to start. A personal issue reaches resolution. Oh, yan. Personal issue mo yan. Masusolusyonan mo na, maaayos mo na. Maaring, I don't know, minsan naman kasi nagkakaroon tayo ng confusion but eventually, no, you will experience clarity. Look at the bigger picture. Ayan, nagbabago yung perspective mo sa buhay. Mas nagiging positibo yung pananaw mo about your life, about what other things, ano pa yung mga bagay na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. Maraming opportunities. Okay? So, iwasan mong i-overthink yung mga bagay-bagay and just focus on your goal. Keep your eye on the prize. Because eventually, you will celebrate something na pinaghirapan mo. In-achieve mo talaga to. Sumakses ka. Ganon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.